swallowing my feet. When did it get so deep?
Hi, it's Lana from Birds Renovations. When we look at the vision boards from our Reno School students, we keep seeing the same style pop up over and over again, and that is a coastal theme. They just love it. And on the James Hardie website, they can help you understand what products to use to bring to life a whole range of different styles. But coastal is definitely a very popular one. And our latest project here behind me brings to life a coastal cool vision. I'm going to talk you through now some of the things you can do to bring to life a coastal theme at your place. Without a doubt, the most important element to bringing to life a coastal feel is the cladding you choose. And linear weatherboard in a 180mm profile is the one that we chose here and that we know works a treat. Its shape, its style, its thickness is just perfect and works every time. It's the weatherboard look that reminds us of those summer beach houses. And the weatherboard is the perfect blank canvas for your styling that is so important in bringing to life a coastal feel. Think outdoor furniture, sun lounges in timber tones, and best of all, a palm tree or a beach umbrella brings your coastal theme to life.
I think that I see water in the distance.
Another tip is to match your window frames and trims to your exterior cladding colour. That creates more of a coastal feel than if you were to contrast them, that's more of a Hamptons feel. And with your facade, make sure there are parts of it that create depth and dimension, so it's not just boxy and one-dimensional. You can do this with things like verandas, cantilevered balconies. They're also great at creating an undercover area, perhaps like a front porch. And windows are so important in creating a coastal feel. The bigger the better. The more natural light you can get in, the more you're going to feel like you're on holidays. And finally, what we love about using the weatherboard on this new build is it doesn't make it feel like a new build. It looks and feels like it's been here for a while. It fits in beautifully with the neighbourhood, which is filled with cottages and bungalows. And so it just brings that charm and character to something that's actually brand new. So head to the James Hardie website to get your modern coastal inspiration.